So I want to show you what life on the road looks like and when you're trying to save money. I did a little laundry, and this is how I'm drying my dry fit stuff. It works. It's like 100 degrees out. Nature's dryer. Perfect, man. We're gonna have a marvelous day. Our little do-it-yourself vent for the phone. Phone's been overheating because it's in the sun, and I let it sit up here for the GPS. I always have to take it down and let it cool on the vent. And now it's cooling the phone. Grommy's all set. Jeremy's suiting up. Gotta be safe. While Jeremy gets ready, do a little walk around the FJ. So far, it's performing pretty well. My only complaint is the current ride height situation. Since we have so much weight in the rear, we're definitely doing a big Cali lean. I mean, we are in California. I am not sure. I don't think I can actually adjust the rear. I think the adjustment is only in the front for ride height. So I'm gonna have to lower the front a good inch or two to kind of even everything out. It's definitely robbing our gas mileage because we're kind of leaning up and parachuting all the way down the highway at high speeds. I'm also being very lazy. I'm just gonna leave these straps on so we can strap it up later. But man, this bike is dirty. We got almost 4,000 miles on this thing now. Well, I'm gonna have fun around the parking lot while Jeremy gets ready. Just to General Sherman.
Yeah, for General Sherman.
Yeah.
Turn left here.
Is there a way we can just hop on our bike to it, or no? On the little bike, or do we have to take the shuttle bus? Okay, gotcha. All right, thank you very much. Have a good one. Yeah, we're basically at the bottom. I think it's just like a couple more turns and we're out of the park. So right now we gotta let the car cool down, but Jeremy is done riding. He said dank. Does it taste dank?
It tastes like weed. Straight.
We did say dank.
Straight up.
Yeah, it sounds like it.
Straight up.
That's probably the best reaction I've seen. Let's get out of here. There's too much PDA going on. Where is that?